Welcome to Shanxia Machinery. Our main products are concrete mixing batching plant, concrete batching machine, concrete mixer, concrete pump, concrete mixing truck, concrete block making machine, dry mix mortar production line, asphalt mixing plant, wheel loader, concrete silo, screw conveyor, and other construction machinery. We have got certificate ISO 9001-2000 and pass HZS test. At present, our products are popular at home and abroad. We have developed international market very well, such as Russia, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, Mideast, South Africa, America, etc. More than 20 countries and regions.